It's my favorite time of the week. As you saw from the title, I'm bringing you along for my self-care maintenance routine. And the first step to my routine actually starts the night before when I do my hot oil treatment. I like to mix different oils like jojoba, olive, coconut, castor oil, heat everything up in the microwave and then just throw it on my scalp, put it on my ends especially, let everything sink in. Section into 4 corners and then top it with a plastic bag. That's going to lock the heat in and also help moisturize my ends. I used to do this consistently a few years ago and my hair grew so fast, so I'm back at it. See you in the morning. What's up you guys and welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Lashare and I make motivational lifestyle content. So if you're interested in something like that, definitely subscribe below and click that like button to support my channel. If you watched my last vlog, then you know that I'm staying in Texas for right now, staying with my sister. And if you hear anything in the background like the heat or the music, we have a brand new newborn in the house, brand new baby knees. So I can't just, make this video all about me. There might be a little bit of background noise, but we're gonna get through it. Today I am taking you guys through my motivational self-care routine. It's been a long week. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday, y'all. It is time to get to it. As you saw, I already prepped my hair last night. So now we just need to wash my hair. I have a hot oil treatment that's been sitting overnight. I normally do it for just a few hours, but I was so tired last night, y'all, so I just fell asleep and it's fine. My hair got some extra oomph to it. So I think I have about 6 steps that I normally do every single week just to kind of get myself on track. If you know, from TikTok, oh how I love being a woman. If you know that sound, then that is exactly what we are doing today. At this point, it's almost therapeutic just for me to do this. I just know this routine like the back of my hand. It's so easy and it just feels so good and I look forward to it because it's like I'm pampering myself. I don't know about you, but I have a stressful week. I work a lot of hours. I'm literally trying to build 2 businesses and I'm working full-time at a job just to support myself while I'm here and save up for me to move back to LA. So I got a lot going on. I appreciate these self-care Sundays. First thing I'm gonna do is wash my hair, and I like to use this Head & Shoulders shampoo and conditioner. It's a co-wash, tea tree oil in it, and it's really good to just help with an itchy scalp or relieve any irritation that might be going on. My scalp is extra itchy right now because I've used so many products this week. So that's when I like to go in with this product. Otherwise, I'll just use a normal Pantene co-wash. We're also just gonna touch up our body a little bit since it is the end of the week. That is when I like to do all of my shaving. So I'm gonna shave my arms, shave my legs, just everywhere, nice and smooth. If your everything shower doesn't include eucalyptus shower bombs, you're missing out. Trust me and make your shower an experience. All I need is these 3 tools right here. So I have scissors, a little brow brush, and then some tweezers. And I'm just gonna get right to it. I just wanna clean up this part of my brows just right here. Clean up the arch a little bit. When I graduated high school, I went to beauty school right away, and this is one of the tips that I learned. I heated up this towel and I'm just gonna press it on a part of my brow really quick. This is gonna help soften the cuticle area so that it's easier to pull the hairs out and not cause so much irritation and redness and leave a mark. Alright, so my brows are done. I think that they're pretty even to me. I'm just gonna go in with the scissors and then just kind of do this top area right here. These 2 grow really long for some reason, so I just try and cut them to make it all one even length. About right there. And that's it. Brows are done, so now we're gonna go ahead and just use a razor just like that. Yes. Then very lightly, I just want to kind of clear up this area. This whole process literally takes me about 15 minutes because I'm so used to it. I do this every single Sunday. I just wake up and this is my routine. This is what I love doing. When you have a routine, you have your hot cocoa or you've got a warm blanket and you can kind of take some time in between, do your nails, do your hair, whatever you want to do, it doesn't have to just be, your face or just be shaving or washing your hair. You can do so much more with a self-care day. You can actually sit down, relax, read a book, learn something, you know, do whatever is gonna make you happy, and just some sort of routine, because everyone has life, everyone has things going on, but it's important to take time for yourself and really maintain your appearance, one, as a woman, but also make sure that you're just like feeling good about yourself and that you feel like, okay, I've reset, I am ready to take on the week starting Monday, you know, like we're ready and let's bring it on. Quick intermission, I need a little pick-me-up. I'm gonna make some hot tea. It's lemon ginger. So that's your face mask, but have you had a foot mask before? This one has aloe vera in it, and I love to use aloe vera just to kind of soothe any irritation that I might have with new products that I'm trying out lately. Onyx Professional. This one I normally do once a month. So it's just like a sock. You put it on, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then in about a week later, you're gonna see your feet start to peel off, and just like magic, it's like new, baby, soft, fresh skin. So the cucumber mask I'm using today has aloe and natural cucumber in it. It claims to relax fine lines and wrinkles and stimulates antioxidant activity and collagen production. All of that is amazing. I use 100% natural aloe vera in my normal skincare routine, so when I saw this mask, I had to pick it up. Let it sit for 15 minutes, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna use the foot mask. I know what you guys are all thinking. I'm about to put a foot inside some plastic bag with liquid in it, but trust me when I tell you your feet are so soft afterwards. Sip that tea and wait for everything to do its thing. And I have no idea why I sat and rocked back and forth like this, but it just came natural to me. Don't judge me. And I usually take this opportunity to have just some quiet time, just to sit and think and relax and reflect about my week that I had. So ready for spring, so this pink color was just calling my name. It's finally time to take off this foot mask. It's so liquidy, so I just kind of use the excess on my hands. Like if I have any dry skin on my hands, that's gonna help it peel away too, and afterwards, like I said, baby soft skin. These self-care days are so precious to me, so that's why I never skip these steps. That's going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments, what are some of your self-care Sunday must-haves that you cannot live without? Maybe there's something that would be really helpful for the next person reading the comments. I'm going to go relax for a little bit, work out, make some dinner, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!